All right, let's get into it. This is the Cat Mom 20-ounce ceramic mug. Exactly what every proud cat mama wants in the morning. Big, bold, and unapologetically adorable. I love the colors. The oversized 20-ounce capacity. This is just perfect for real coffee drinkers. No dainty little sips here. The stoneware feels so sturdy and substantial. It is not thin. It is not inexpensive, not cheap looking, and it holds heat very well. Love the teal color with the simple cat mom design. So cute without being over the top or, like cheesy. The little print is so pretty. So here's the deal. The verdict. This mug is practical and it's personal, which is why it works so well as a daily use favorite or a gift. I'm actually gifting this. It is microwave safe, dishwasher friendly, and super durable to actually live on your counter. If you're on the fence, this is why. It's roomy, it's well made. Lets everyone know exactly where your loyalty lies. Cat mom, cat mom, cat mom.